Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start next exercise, that is multiplication. Okay, multiplication of the fractions. Yesterday we have completed exercise 2A, which is based upon addition and subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. बार बंद ना करना, सुनवा आंदना कभी बार ना करना बंद, सुनवा आंदना कभी तो फिर So today we will discuss exercise 2B, that is based upon the multiplication of the rational numbers. So multiplication of rational numbers are like we are having 2 by 3 multiply with 3 by 7. Okay, so how we can multiply them? How we can multiply? When we have discussed addition, suppose 2 by 3 plus 3 by 7, or we have done subtraction 2 by 3 minus 3 by 7. In both the cases you have to take LCM. Okay, but in the multiplication there is no need of LCM. You can directly cut 3 ones are 3 ones are. Rest we can't cancel, so answer will be 2 by 7. Okay, in the case of multiplication there is no need of LCM. In addition, subtraction that we have discussed yesterday, there we have to apply LCM property. Okay, so today we are going to start exercise 2B. Kindly open your books quickly. I'll give you some questions side by side. Okay, I'll ask you how we can take out the answer of this fraction. Okay, question 1. First part is 4 upon 5 multiplied by 7. 4 upon 5 multiplied by 7. Okay. So here we don't have to take any LCM. How we can do multiplication? 4 by 5 you have to multiply. First of all, see to it. I can cancel anything in here in the numerator and here in the denominator. No, I can't cancel. I can cancel 5 and 7. No, I can't cancel. Okay, so your answer will be, you always have to multiply numerator with the numerator, that is 28, and whatever is left in denominator, that will be your denominator. So this is your answer. Is it clear everyone? It is very easy. Okay, now I am going to solve, suppose third part. Third part is 3 upon 4, it is given in mixed fraction, multiply by 6. Okay, 4 ones are 4 and plus 3, that is 7 upon 4. Okay, multiply by 6. Now I can cancel 4 and 7. No, I can't cancel. I can cancel 4 and 6. Yes, on 2 table. 2 twos are 2 threes are. Anything else? No. So that your answer will be 7 threes are 21, and here 2 is there. So this is your answer. Any doubt? Any doubt in these questions? This is very, very easy. Fourth part is 3 8 upon 9 multiplied by 0. Okay, no need to open the mixed fraction. If anything is given to you that is multiplied with 0, your answer will be 0. Your answer will be 0. If I multiply any rational number, any mixed fraction, any integer, any constant with 0, my answer will be 0. Okay, Angel Goel, just wait. Yeah, if in the answer you can cancel the terms. Suppose here 20 is your there in the answer. If you can cancel it. 2 ones are and 2 tens are. Your answer will be 10 only. If nothing can cancel, that fraction will be your answer. Okay. So in this way we will solve question 1. You just have to multiply. I'll do one more part, that is 8. 8th part is 3 6 upon 7 multiply with 4 2 by 3. Okay, both are given in mixed fraction. So how I can multiply? 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 6, how much? 27 upon 7. Multiply 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2, that is 14 upon 3. That's it. Okay. Now I can cancel 27 and 7 I can't cancel. 14 and 3 I can't cancel. I can cancel the 3 with 27 and 7 with 14. 3 ones are 3 nines are. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So your answer will be 9 twos are 18 divided by 1 ones are 1. Or you can write only 18 will be your answer. Any doubt? Yes, Rushil, very good. Any doubt is there? Sure? It's understood by you how we can, if the question given you in the mixed fraction, open into the fraction and then see to it what terms we can cancel. Some students are cancelling in this way. Suppose 21 upon 3 is there and suppose 5 upon 6 is there. Some are cancelling in this way. 3 ones are 3 twos are. No. We can't cancel denominator with denominator and numerator with numerator. No. We can cancel from here to here to here, or this numerator with this denominator, or here to here. Okay? Right? Now let's move to the next question. That is question 2. Rest of the parts are your homework. Same. These are very, very similar. Okay? Whatever the tough questions I'm solving in the class, whatever the parts are very similar, I'm giving you for the homework. So do practice on regular basis. Second question is based upon simplification. Okay, you have to simplify these fractions. Suppose first part is 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 4 multiply 4 by 5 multiply 6 by 9. Okay, so here in this you have to see how many terms I can cancel. This 3 and this 3 I can cancel. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Cancel. Okay, now see this side. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, now 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. Okay, anything else? No. So answer will be 2 twos are 4 and what is left? 5 threes are 15. This is your answer. Any doubt? Any doubt in the simplification? In simplification, more than 2 or 3 rational numbers will be given to you. Fractions will be given to you. You can see 2 and 3 I can't cancel. 2 and 4 I can cancel. This 3 and 3 I can cancel. This 2 and 4 I can cancel. 5 and 6 I can't cancel. 4 and 9 I can't cancel. I can cancel 6 and 9 on 3 table. Okay. So in this way you can cancel it and you can take out the answer. Multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Right? Okay. After cutting, you have to multiply whatever the terms are left. You have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay. I'm going to solve once again. Some are having problem how ma'am has cancelled the terms. See. 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5, multiply 6 upon 9. Okay. I can cancel first of all, see, any numerator and denominators which are same. This numerator and this denominator are same. So I can cancel. Okay. This numerator, this denominator is same. I can cancel. Okay. Now this 6 and 9 I can cancel on 3 table. 3 twos are, 3 threes are. So what is left? This 2 and this 2 is left. 2 twos are 4 and 5 and 3 is left. 5 threes are 15. That is your answer. Now any doubt is there? Jayavardhan? Sit properly. Ishita? Any doubt is there? Sit straight. Sure? Okay. Now I'm going to solve one more part. You will be able to understand how ma'am has cancelled all the terms. Fifth part is 1 by 3 multiply by 2 1 by 4. Now here plus sign is there. Plus. I have told earlier also in simplification there can be more than 2 signs or 3 signs. Okay, there can be only multiplication, there can be multiplication and addition, there can be addition, subtraction, anything can give. They can give you in simplification. 1 by 7 multiply by 3 1 by 2. So according to the BODMAS rule, you have to multiply these two fractions and you have to multiply these two fractions. Whatever the answer will be you have to add. Okay, I'm going to open the mixed fraction. 3 ones are 3 into plus 1, 4 upon 3, multiply 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 4, plus sign I'm writing as it is. 7 ones are 7, plus 8 plus 1, 8 upon 7, multiply by 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. Okay, now I can cancel anything? Yes, 4 and 4, 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what is left here? Only 3. Plus, what is left here? 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2 4s are. What is left? Only 4. Now add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4, that is 7 is your answer. Yes, Arshia, very good. Any doubt? Any doubt is there? In simplification, they can give you multiplication also, addition also, subtraction also. Okay, they can give. So first of all, you have to see that we have done BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, if division is there, first of all do division. If multiplication is there, do multiplication. If addition is there, then do addition. If subtraction sign is there, at the last do subtraction. Okay, follow this rule, BODMAS rule. Right? Vanya, adjust your camera. Okay, now rest of the parts are your homework. Because they are very similar, I can't solve these simple questions in the class. This is your homework questions. Next is question 3rd. In question 3rd, you have to find out the value. Okay, so what is given? Now see, first question is 7 upon 5 into 5 liters. Into 5 liters. Okay, so you have to solve in this way. 7 upon 5 into 5. Solve this, and whenever the answer will be there, you can write there liters. Okay, right, whatever the answer will be, your answer will come, write down in the answer liters also. So here I can cancel 5 ones, sir. That's it. So what is left? Only 7. So 7 liters are your answer. Is the answer. Any doubt? It is very easy. Okay. So you can see that I can cancel 5 and 5 and my answer will be 7, and whatever the units are given, that you have to write in your answer. Okay. So this will be your answer. Any doubt in this question? Hardik 7th Blossom. Sit properly. Okay, now next part I am doing that. Suppose I am doing second part first of all, then I will solve other parts. 7 upon 12 of an hour. 7 upon 12 is given, of means multiply, an hour is given. Okay, means value is not given. So can you convert hour into the minutes? Anyone can tell me how many minutes we are having in an hour? How many minutes we are having in an hour? 60 minutes. Very good. Okay, so I am writing here 60 and minutes I am writing also. Minutes are my units now. Minutes are the units. Your answer will come in minutes now. Okay. Hour, nothing was given. Value is not given. Only hour is given. So you can convert into the minutes. Okay. So 12 ones are 12 fives are. 7 5s are 35, 35 and minutes you have to write here. So 35 minutes are the answer. 35 minutes is the answer. Clear? Clear everyone? Sure? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Suppose I'm doing now 4th part. Okay. Some parts I'll give you for homework. By solving the questions by own at home, you will be able to understand the concept more easily. Okay, when you will solve by own, you will be able to understand how I can cancel the terms, how I can compute into the lowest form. Okay, how I can take out the answer by solving by own. 4th is 1 by 4 of a year. 1 by 4 of a year. So I am writing 1 by 4 as it is. Of means multiply. Year. Value is not given. Okay, value is not given. So year, how many months are there in 1 year? Very good, Prasan, Geet, Anshika, Naman, Tanisha, Siddharth. Very good. Hazel, right? We are having 12 months. So write 12 months. Okay. In the bracket, outside the bracket, write down the units also, months. Okay. And now I can cancel. Yes. 4 ones are 4 threes are, and 3 into 1, that is 3 months is the answer. 3 months is the answer. Okay. Okay. Some are saying that, ma'am, can we write days? You can take out your answer in days also. Okay. Some are saying that in a year, yes, obviously you can take out your answer in that. One student has said, ma'am, can I write here of in a year, can I write 365 days? Yes, you can write. Then you can see that you can't cancel anything. So your answer will be 365 divided by 4. But your answer will come in days now. Your units will be days, not months. Okay, absolutely correct. You can do in any way. Conversion is up to you. You can convert in any way. Okay, it is not mentioned you have to convert only in months. You can convert into days also, into weeks also. Okay. Alright. So next question I'm doing, that is part 6th. 6th part. 9 upon 20 of a meter. Of a meter. 9 upon 20 of means multiply. Meter. How many centimeters are there in meter? Yes, that is 100. I can write 100 and outside the bracket I am writing here centimeter. I have converted meter into centimeter. Okay, you can convert meter into kilometers in any way. Okay, wherever you are converting, in which term you are converting, that unit you have to write as it is. Okay, suppose I have converted into the centimeter. So meter, 1 meter contains 100 centimeter. So 2 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fives are, and 9 fives are 45 centimeter is the answer. Is the answer. Any doubt? Sure? No doubt was there? Okay. Let me solve 8th part. 8th part. 8th part is 2 by 7 of 28 apples. 28 apples. Now listen one thing. Listen one thing. 28 apples. Now there is no need to convert anything. Okay, because here value is already given. When value will not be given, then only you can go for the conversion. Otherwise, write down this as it is. 2 by 7 of means multiply 28, and outside what are these? These are apples. These are apples. Any doubt up to here? Any doubt up to here? If the value is not mentioned here, then you can convert. If the value is mentioned, then multiply and write down that term as it is. Okay? Now, 7 ones are 7 fours are. Okay? And 4 twos are 8. 8 apples is the answer. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Sure? Okay. Now rest of the questions are your homework. Okay, whatever parts are left, that is your homework. Are you able to understand how ma'am has done the calculation? Everyone? Sure? Okay, okay, Ayan. Now let's start the next question, that is question 4th. In this chapter, whatever exercise you are going to solve. Some are saying which part? Wait. 10th part is not there. Ananya, where is the 10th part? It is 9th. You are asking 9th part? Okay, I'll solve. Question 2nd, 9th part. Okay, see. 9th part is 1 upon 5 of 625 meter square. I have told you, if value is given, then there is no need to convert. Okay, Write down 1 by 5. Of means multiply 625 as it is, and outside the bracket the units are meter square. Units are meter square. No need to convert now. Okay, now you can just simply cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. So answer will be 125 into 1, that is 125. So 125 meter square is the answer. Any doubt? Any doubt? Sure? Others, do the question, do that, and then you can ask me after the class. Okay? Now let's start with the fourth question. Fourth question is, mangoes are being sold at rupees 38 3/4 per kg. What's the cost of 3 1/5 kg of mangoes? Okay, cost of 1 kg of mangoes are given. That is rupees 38 3/4. This is the cost of 1 kg of mangoes. They are saying that what is the cost of 3 1/5 kg? 3 1/5 kg of mangoes. Okay, 1 kg, cost of 1 kg of mangoes are given, and you have to find out 3 1/5 kg of mangoes. It will be how much? So how you can take out? How you can take out? You have to multiply this fraction with this fraction, or you will divide. Anyone can tell me? You have to divide or you have to multiply? Hazel, very good. Ekampreet, wrong. Ayan, right. Prasan, right. Yes, quickly give me answer. Ananya, right. Very good. Yanya, Naman, right. Ekampreet, Ashia, right. Koshi, no. Mavish, no. Vanshika, yes. Shaurya, no. Jayavardhan, no. Saloni, very good. Yes, yes, very good. Okay, see, I'm asking you, suppose cost of 1 candy, suppose I'm asking you, cost of 1 candy is rupees 10. Okay, take my example. Cost of 1 candy, I have purchased 1 candy from market. Cost of 1 candy is rupees 10. I am asking you, how much is the cost of 20 candies? 20 candies. You will multiply 10 rupees with 20, or you will divide? Obviously, you will multiply 10 and 20, that will be 200 rupees. Okay, if 1 candy, cost of 1 candy is rupees 10, obviously cost of 20 candies will be go in multiplication, that will be 200. Okay, okay, now got it? So here will not do division, we always do multiplication in this case. Okay, now according to the question, the answer will be, this is the cost 38 3/4. You have to multiply with these many kg, 3 1/5. Okay, now multiply 38 into 4, how much? 38 into 4, how much? 152 plus 3, how much? 155. Divided by 4, multiply by 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5. Okay, now I can cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 4 16. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, and 1s are. Okay, now 31 into 4, here denominator only 1 is there, and 31 into 4, that is equals to rupees 124. This is your answer. This is your answer. Any doubt? Everyone, I'm asking, any doubt is there? Sure? Yes? Sure? It's clear, everyone? Okay. Anshika, 7th Blossom. Be attentive in the class. It's clear. Ekampreet, Sukhraj. It's clear. Dikshant, Garv Mehta, Diksha. Okay, all right. Adarsh Lathar, Ishita. Okay, Aradhya. All right. Now let's start with the next question. Okay, fifth question is same as it is. I'm reading the statement. Okay, I'll not solve this question. Our fifth question, I'm going to read the statement. See, Sheila walks 6 by 7 kilometer in 1 hour. In 1 hour, she walks 6 by 7 kilometer. Okay, how much distance she will cover in 2 5 by 8 hours? 1 hour she used to cover this much distance. In 2 5 by 8 hours she will cover how much distance? So you will do multiplication of these two fraction or division? You will do multiply or division? Please tell me. Very good, Ekam. Arshia, Prasan, Angel will do multiplication. Ananya, Saloni, Aditya, Anshika, Hazel, Jayavardhan, Naman, very good. Now you got it? Akshara is Blossom. Sit straight, Akshara. Sit properly. Okay, so for 1 hour she used to cover this much distance. For 2 5 by 8 hours you have to go for the multiplication, like we have done in the fourth question, right? Okay, so this is the question for homework. This question is for homework. I'm going to solve question 6 now. Okay, question 6 is find the area of square. Find the area of square. This you have to find out. Of side 5 2 by 3 meter. Side of square is given. Side of square is given, that is 5 2 by 3 meter. Okay, 5 2 by 3 meter. Gatik, 7th awesome. Stop talking. Area of square you have to find out. Side of square is given. So first of all, everyone tell me the area of square. Area of square. Tell me the formula of area of square. Everyone. It's very, very easy. Very good, Tanisha. Very good. Alia, switch on the camera. Everyone has to give me answer in the message. I'll check my message box. Okay. Till the time I'm watching whose videos are off. Akshara Malik, you are absent in today's class. Arpit, Ayan, Bhajan Kaur, Dilbag, absent. Your videos are off, you will be absent. Kartike, Keshav, Manav, Nidhavi, Sanjot, Shivansh, Vedant, Ishan. You all are absent in today's class. Saloni, your formula is wrong. Aditya right. Hazel right. Yanya no. Arshia right. Namanpuri right. Ananya yes. Ishan yes. Gurveen Kaur no. Gurveen Blossom, formula is wrong. Vanshika yes. Mavish correct. Very good. Take out your answer. Tell me. What is the formula? Angel Goyle, Alia, Nija. Very good. Very good. Okay, so area of square will be side multiplied by side, or you can write side square. Okay, area of square, because a square is having all sides equal. All sides equal. Okay, so area of square is side multiplied by side. Some are saying length into breadth. It is not rectangle. Length into breadth will come in rectangle. Okay, so now what is the side of square? That is equals to 5 2 by 3. So you have to multiply 5 2 by 3 2 times. Om Goel, I'm watching what you are doing in the class. 5 2 by 3 multiply by 5 2 by 3. Okay, now open the fraction. 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 upon 3, multiply by again 17 upon 3. What will be the answer? I can't cancel anything here. Dikshant, 7 Florence. Sit properly, sit straight in the class. Yes. 17 square is 289 divided by 3 3s are 9. And whenever you are going to find out area, your area will come in meter square. Meter square. That will be the answer. Alright? That will be the answer. Okay? Okay, now let's move to the next question. Please mark some question which I am giving you for the homework. Yes, you have to solve some questions. I have given you some parts. I have given you from the first, second and third question. Here I have given you some parts to solve. Okay. After that I have given you question 5th, 6th I have solved. Then you have to solve question 8th. Okay. Question 7th I am doing. Question 8th is totally same. Question 7th I am doing. Then you have to solve question 9th. Okay, question 9th. In question 9th, length and breadth is given of rectangle. Okay, length and breadth is given of rectangle. Find out the area. So, area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Very, very easy. Okay, so these are the homework questions. Mark it quickly. Mark these questions. I am going to solve now question 7th. Question 7th is, Vihan reads a storybook for 3 by 5 hours in a day. He reads the entire book in 25 days. How many hours did she take to read the entire book? Please tell me, what should we do in this question? Please tell me quickly. Yes, Arshia, very good. Akshara, sit straight in the class. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy. See, the question is storybook. In this way, you have to make your statements. Storybook read by Vihan is equals to in a day. Storybook read by Vihan in a day that is equals to 3 by 5 hours. Okay, he used to spend 3 by 5 hours to read a storybook in a day, in single day. Okay, so they are asking that storybook how many hours he will spend to read the storybook in 25 days. Okay, so write in this way, storybook read by Vihan in 25 days. In one day he used to read these many hours. Okay, in 25 days, so you have to multiply both 25 and 3 by 5. 3 by 5 multiplied by 25. Okay, if you want take out for 25 days. Like I have told you that for one day if something is given and you take out for 25 days, you have to multiply the fraction. Okay, now answer will be 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So that is equals to 3 into 5, 15 hours. Okay, so it means he will spend 15 hours to read the storybook in 25 days. Got it? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, right? I'm giving you a hint of now. This is the 7th question. Have you marked this question for the homework? 5th, then 8th, then 9th. Okay, these I have given for the homework. Right? 10th question is a bag contains 30 kg of rice. Very, very easy. A bag contains 30 kg of rice. So how you can compute? Main thing is how you are making the statement. Okay. So in this way you have to write quantity of rice in a bag is given, that is how much? 30 kg. Quantity of rice in a bag is given 30 kg. Okay, they are saying that a family consume 2 by 3 of it. Consumption of rice consumption of rice by a family is equals to 2 by third of it. 2 by third of it means 2 by 3 of 30 kg. So that is equals to 2 by 3 multiplied by 30. 3 ones are 3 tens are, that is equals to 10 twos are 20 kg. Okay, this much quantity of rice a family is having. This is the consumption by the family. Consumption means they have used. Okay, after that they are saying how much rice is left in the bag. So rice left in a bag is equals to 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20, and that is equals to 10 kg. 10 kg is left in the bag. Is it clear to everyone? Again, it is very, very easy. Okay, now you can mark one more question. The 11th question is same as it is. Same as it is. Okay, so today you have to solve question 5, 8, 9th and 11th. These are the word problem. And some questions I have given you for the homework, that is, I have given some parts of first, second and third. That are parts, very, very easy. And these are the word problem questions, 5, 8, 9, 11. Okay, here you have to, whenever you are reading a statement, then you have to write that proper sentence in your solution. Your sentence should be correct. Grammatical mistakes should not be there, spelling mistakes should not be there. Okay, so do your work very properly. Wherever you will face doubt in any of the word problem, you can ask me by tomorrow, or otherwise you can ask me after the class. Alright, bye bye and take care all of you.